Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the last video of our course because I am trying to wrap it up, and uh, the things like level save load levels and like level system in IGI and saving data, that things and shop system, that are the things which was in my mind, but I was thinking to create a separate course for that type of things like singleton, like prefabs, saving data with prefabs, like these things. So that will be the next course in which you will learn that type of things. In our course we have created one complete level, and I thought I have explained a lot of things and almost everything which can be useful for creating a game. So here you can see that if we enable the enemies and if we uh, delete the bodyguard because we don't need it, and if we play the game from the scratch from main menu, you will see that we can go to any level, and this level has everything like winning the level and then moving to next levels, like that. So let's start it, and let's get a quick overview of what we have done till now. And if we go to night, that is the level which we have uh, make it ready, and we have started from this point. We can select the guns, we can have enemies, and definitely okay, this is the sniper. So here we can go to next enemy. Actually, when the game is not built, and you can see that we can kill these enemies. Reload, and we have every functionality. Definitely, oh my god, we have gun problem. Let's change the gun. Oh, it's very difficult. He killed us. Okay, so as you can see that we have a nice level, and finally we can win the level by reaching the area. Definitely you can create more possibilities and more difficulties, more tasks as well. So we are limiting this game at this point, and that's it. This is the last video. Hopefully in next session, next course, we will learn save load systems, singletons, and lot of things related to saving game datas, level management, level lock, unlock, like this. So let's meet in next course. Allah Hafiz.